So guys, I want to talk about the most annoying thing. All right, the PTO, the whole PTO. You have to pull up on it to go in reverse when you have the PTO engaged. All right, it's about the most annoying thing because I have trees everywhere. Just in my front yard alone, I have 10 trees. And in order to get around, you have to, unless you want to hit it at different angles, you got to go around, you got to back up, you go like this, whatever. And you forget to pull the thing. And sometimes when you even pull it, the engine still shuts off. So I got sick of it. I got upset. So about a year ago, I went ahead and figured out how to do it. Now I'm gonna open this up. You can use just a regular blue clip in order to do what I did. All right, but I was pretty annoyed at the time. I just started cutting wires and putting out. So I can't remember exactly what I did in there, but I'm gonna show you. All right, so you need to take off this bolt here. All right, 10 millimeter, and you need channel locks to hold the nut on the back. All right, take this off. You grab this and slide that way, and she comes right off. So on this PTO, there's two wires here, two wires here. Okay, these two wires here need to be put together. These two wires down here. Now on the newer ones, it's a little bit different and a little bit more of a pain in the butt to get to these wires. Uh, but I did it on my neighbors, and we had to unscrew a bolt, and something dropped down, and but we were able to get to the wires somewhere around here. But anyway, just so you can see what we're looking at. Up. Okay, so that's the plug. See those two bottom wires? Okay, those two bottom wires, all you got to do is take one of these. Okay, it opens up. You slide the two wires in there. You close it, and then take a pair of channel locks or lineman's pliers or something like that. Squeeze real hard. It connects those two wires together, and you're done. All right, so there you go. Hit the like button. That helps me out. And subscribe to the channel if you like these kind of videos. And I hope this helped you.